In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play The Sims 4 on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase two ways in which you will be able to play The Sims 4 on iPad. So obviously, The Sims 4 is not natively available for iPads, which means that if you try to go over to the App Store and you look for The Sims 4, you won't be able to simply download it. So for these methods that I'm going to show you in this video, you will need to be playing The Sims 4 on another platform. So you need to own The Sims 4 on your PC, on your Mac, or a console such as Xbox. I want to make it very clear that there are no methods to play The Sims 4 directly on your iPad. You need to own the game on a different platform and then stream it over to your iPad. So keep all of that in mind. Doing it on an iPad alone is impossible. For the first method, this will work if you are running The Sims 4 through Steam. What you can do is run The Sims 4 through Steam on your PC and download Steam Link on your iPad. As the name suggests, Steam Link will bridge the connection of your PC to your mobile device, and this allows you to play anything on your library, or you can run the game on your PC and then stream it over. Like I said, you will need to be streaming the game, so you need to be in close proximity. Your PC or Mac needs to be turned on running The Sims 4, and you need to have a very good internet connection. The other option that you have, if you own Xbox Game Pass and EA Play, then is to go over to xbox.com/play. So through a web browser on your iPad, go to xbox.com/play, and in here you will find the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. What cloud gaming allows you to do is to stream games over. So even if you aren't running it on a PC or an Xbox console, you can still use cloud gaming. The only requirement here is that you need a very good internet connection, and once you choose the option to play with Game Pass Ultimate from your iPad, you will be able to play it. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 4 on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.